Opening at dawn. City. Calm. As the sun peaks over the horizon, the city awakens. Streets fill with a symphony of life, highlighted by the glossy silhouette of the Oben Rorr EZ. Its nostalgic round LED headlamp casts a subtle glow, hinting at the retro-modern elegance that defines its design. Sleek bodywork flows from the tank lid styling to the tail, evoking a timeless charm fused with futuristic promise. Meet the Rorr EZ Urban Performance. This isn't just another commuter. It's a performance statement. Powered by a 7.5 kilowatt IPMSM motor, the Rorr EZ delivers a robust 52 nm torque punch. Acceleration from 0 to 40 km/h in just 3.3 seconds and a top speed of 95 km/s mean it handles busy city traffic and stretches of open road with confidence. Power and range. Battery options. Oben offers 3 LFP battery capacities to match riders' needs. 2.6 kW, 110 km range, 0.4 kWh, 140 km range, 4.4 kWh, 175 km range. Each pack benefits from MHX thermal tech and IP67 rated ruggedness. Rapid charging is a breeze. 80% in under 2 hours on higher variants, or just 45 minutes on the base pack. Ergonomics and handling. A lightweight chassis, 138, 148 kg depending on the variant, and an 810 mm seat height deliver agile handling and rider comfort. With 200 mm of ground clearance and 230 mm water weighting capability, the Rorr EZ adapts to India's varied road conditions with ease. Technology and connectivity. Connected through a color-segmented LED display, the bike features GPS, navigation, OTA updates, geofencing, and live tracking via the Oben app. A driver alert system, DAS, geofencing security, and anti-theft notifications add layers of rider confidence. Safety and components. The ARX tubular frame supports telescopic front forks and monoshock suspension. Braking is carried out by a front disc and rear drum with a unified braking system. Regenerative braking and water-resistant battery protection are built in for practical reliability. Styling and variants, available in striking colors: Electro Amber, Surgic Cyan, Lumina Green, Photon White. The Rorr EZ's neo-classic appeal is complemented by LED lights, alloy wheels, tubular grab rails, and a split-seat design. Pricing and market stand, starting at $999 ex-showroom with higher variants. At Rorr 109,999 and Rorr 199.99, the Rorr EZ is positioned competitively. On-road prices vary modestly by city, e.g. Delhi's Rorr EZ, with the 2.6 kWh pack lands around $107,000 OCD. For riders seeking more power, the flagship Rorr delivers it in spades. An 8 kW motor, 10 kW peak output, 62 Nm torque, a top speed of 100 km/h, and a long range of 187 km from its 4.4 kW pack, charging fully in just 2 hours. Riding impressions, experience montage. On urban streets, the Rorr EZ surprises with its torque, noise-free glide, and nimble cornering. Highway stretches reveal smooth roll-on power. Riders appreciate the reassurance of integrated safety protocols and connected features. By mid-2025, Oben's lineup, anchored by the Rorr EZ and bolstered by the flagship Rorr, signifies a new phase in electric mobility. They deliver a solid combination of style, performance, range, connectivity, convenience, and sustainability. These bikes aren't just about daily commutes, they're about making an everyday statement.